Okay, today we're testing a new Chanel Le Beige Tint Belmine Natural. It's the Glow Foundation, Hydration Long Wear. So we will test how it applies, how it looks on me. First of all, I have already used moisturizing cream. It's by Shiseido Essential Energy Hydrating Day Cream with SPF 20. And now we'll start with concealer. I will use Dior Forever Skin Correct and apply it under my eyes. Will lighten the dark circles under the eyes and some imperfections. So now we apply Chanel Healthy Glow Foundation. I will start with the center of my face. I'll start from the nose because I have rather large pores. It's color B10. Blend everything. Add a little bit on the forehead. So here it is. I think it's not exactly the same shade that I need for my skin, but after oxidizing it looks I think it looks okay. B10 is the lightest color which I found by Chanel. It has rather warm undertone. I think that I need a neutral undertone or pinkish, I think. Okay, here it is. Now I will finish my makeup. Now it looks rather pale. I'm like a ghost, white ghost. So I will use Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. Take these two colors, not bronzer, and apply a little on the cheekbones. I want to create a frost pink color with the help of them. So okay, with them it's enough, I think. The next part is lips. I will use the new Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, lip cheat. It's color Pillow Talk Fair. It's rather pink. I mean, it's called pink. So yeah, it's cool pink tone. It's very okay. In the next part, we emphasize the eyebrows with the help of a gel. On top of it. And I will also use the Chanel Le for Ombre Multi-Effect Quadra Eyeshadow 202 Tisse Camelia. Also cool toned look, please. It's better, a little better. I take the pink one. I'll take some kind of warm gray. I mean this one, and emphasize the corners. And now I will blend everything with the, I think, white shadow. First, we start from the inner corner of the eyelids. Then we'll blend the eyeshadows that I have already put on the eyes, on the eyelids. Okay, and a little bit of the gray color on the eyes. Yeah, definitely become a frosty makeup. Today is 6 degrees under zero, and I think that this makeup will definitely be very cool for today's weather. Chanel mascara. It's Le Volume de Chanel. And finally, we will use Dior Addict. It's a Lip Maximizer. It's 1001 shadow to make very glossy finish on the lips. So, this is the final look, the final makeup. How do you like it? Today I've tried to make frosty makeup. It is in cool tones. Everything is cool tones here. The eyeshadows by Chanel, the lips by Charlotte Tilbury, lip cheat in Pillow Talk Fair, and of course the blushes by Dior Backstage, cool tones. So how do you like it?